Hey guys, today Apple releases iOS 12.1 Beta 2 to registered developers, and there's actually quite a bit to talk about within this beta. The software update from Beta 1 to Beta 2 was 386 megabytes on this iPhone XS Max. Now that's going to vary depending on your device and the software that you're coming from, but no more than 400 megabytes you should see this update populate on your device if you're running a previous beta. Now the software came in with current build number 16B5068i. Now that's going to be the latest build number for iOS 12.1 Beta 2. So what's new with this new beta? Is there any new changes? Well, there's actually quite a bit to talk about. Apple introduced several new features and also added some new emojis, which we'll talk about here in a few seconds. So starting off with new emojis with iOS 12.1, once it is officially released to the public, Apple will be adding all these new emojis here. Now these are some of the ones that I've come across so far on the latest beta. I'm sure there's a few more. You can see there that there's a lot of new emojis. You see the freezing face, that's the one that I was waiting for. I like that one a lot. The honey badger, you know what they say about the honey badger. And you also have the redhead right there for male and female, including this is hot face, as you see there, red face with sweat drop, a bone, skateboard, and so on. So a lot of new emojis, including new animals, new insects, and hair colors, and also, of course, emojis and facial expressions. So I just wanted to share those with you guys because I've come across more as my follow-up video will be coming your way in the next couple of days on 12.1 Beta 2. I'll be sure to share those with you guys. But yes, some new emojis are coming with 12.1. And with iOS 12.1, if you take a look here at the iPhone XS Max camera or actual box in the background there, you see the blur surrounding the box. Well, I can actually adjust the focus on that blur before actually taking the picture. So you can do it before and after on iOS 12.1, unlike before. And this is going to be in portrait mode settings on the iPhone XS and XS Max. Now, how do you change that? Well, you tap on the top right here where the F icon is, and there you can adjust the focus. You see more focus, less blur or less focus right there. The subject stays in focus, but the blur and background increases in real time, so you don't have to actually do it after you've taken the picture. So that's also a new feature coming to iOS 12.1. eSIM support is also coming to iOS 12.1. This allows you to have a secondary line on your device without having to have the physical SIM card inside of your device. So it's called the eSIM, the electronic SIM card. You can activate a data plan from any carrier, again, without the physical SIM card, primary or secondary line there if you wish to do so. And this will be under settings, and then you want to go to the cellular options here, and you see that it allows you to add a plan on your device without a physical SIM card in there. This will be supported on the new iPhones with iOS 12.1 as well. So now let's go ahead and run a benchmark. Of course, I always like to do this. Let's see if the performance have increased or decreased with the latest beta for iOS 12.1 Beta 2. Of course, a follow-up video is coming your way with battery tests, additional new emojis and features and changes. So be sure to stay tuned here to the channel. I'll let you guys know with a follow-up video. Let's see the results here on the CPU. Once it's done, I'll be right back. Okay, so the test has been completed. The single core score is going to be 4791. The multi-core score, 11,364. Let's go back in time. Beta 1 here, we have 4834 versus 4791 single core score. Nothing drastic there. 11,228 multi-core score previous beta, Beta 1. Beta 2 today, a little higher, 11,364. That's going to be the latest iPhone. Again, guys, be sure to stay tuned here to the channel. More follow-up video and information in regards to iOS 12.1. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.